Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me. Remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries. Remember me.
All 14, all 7, yeah man, all 4 corner. Good morning again, viewers and subscribers. Happy Sundays to everyone. Yeah man, we are out here on another trip, another expedition, you know. Me and Carnell this morning. Yeah man, so the weather take time I drop off day after day, guys. Fear weather is coming back around. Yeah man, partly cloudy skies, the current not so bad. Wind is very nice as well. So we are out here doing the usual thing, you know, deep drop, deep drop, deep drop. See the line beat up early. Got a little amount of goggle eye last night. Yeah man, I got a little amount of goggle eye because inside current is a bit strong. Yeah, so about to run off the first line. Going to try a area where I caught some small queen snapper once. Yeah man, over 6 months I haven't visited this area, so I'm gonna try see what is going on there. And also the engine, yeah man, up and running again, everything well sorted out. Mr. Boy T, pick up yourself at mechanic. More something come down. Man. So I will run after one here, guys, beat up another one and get going. Yeah man, line overboard now, you know. First one I go over. Hold up a second, let me that. Don't let go yet. Hold up, hold up. Take your ample out. Multicolor well active. Alright, road. Yeah man. So down there we say, guys, first line off 480 yards, anywhere there. Yeah man, you know what thing go already, we like the deep. The deeper the better. Even though I'm hoping the water warms up quick, the sea surface, the sea floor. Yeah man, once it warms up quick, then the action will be interested. Yes, viewers, 2 lines are out. There's a little current developing coming out of the southeast. Yeah, washing the lines across the shallow. Across the bank. Carnell is about to pull the first one up. First one is coming up. And they'll say if I'm not currently catch few of them. But I did feel a few small bites, you know. Yeah, man. Waiting on it to come up. So in the meantime, I'm going to cut up some more bait. First one approaching up. Just a few little whites can be seen from here. Yeah, man. Take it over in the boat now, guys.
Yes, guys. Catch few little one, not much still, but catch a few.
That would be nice of me.
Soon take out that. Yes, guys, see them there. Catch few little ones, not much, but so far so good. Still have to give thanks.
Shiny fish, look up. But they have been too deep for right now. You want to need to dress in and give it a little shallow. But when you see these kind of fish, you know you're well deep. Yeah, fish well deep. Comment and let me know the name of this fish as well.
Yes, peeps, the second line of the morning. The fighter jet is on the second line. So, current is a bit piercing over this side, so we have to go make a move. So I take up this line and go on the other side. So how does it feel, Mr. Fighter Jet? This ain't no feel too good still, but I could see where I come up. Yes, peeps, this is the line that Fighter Jet just pulled. Catch 4 nice fish. Yeah. So this how I come up on it. Take time I get more and more still, so as the days goes by. So this is how it looks like.
Another one coming up, guys. Yeah, man. We're expecting a mixture of golden eye snappers and cardinal, you know. Yeah, man. Next line right there. Pretty close. Pretty close, you know. Yes, so I can see it coming up. Few whites coming up, you know. Yes, guys. Not big ones, but they still count. Seeing something like a grouper. Is it a grouper? Yeah. Like you pick up on the fish head. The goggle head that I place on the line. Yes, that's a nice small queen snapper. Yep. Oh, then clean off a whole lot of the bait.
Yes, guys. This is what it looks like.
Yep.
Nice grouper.
Right on the goggle head, you know?
You notice you can see the goggle head still. That's what it bite on.
Yeah, man.
Nice size grouper, man.
Nice 8 pounder.
Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. Another line. Just drawn. Find few of the fish them still. Sat on a couple inch, man. Yeah. Not bad at all.
Get ring off fish off.
Have a look for him. Yes, peeps. Not bad.
All left your door, guys. Current. Very strong, you know? Here, so you know. Yeah, man.
See them then. Not a bad look at all. Say current a fight with hard. Yes, peeps. Another line has been set and has been drawn again. So set off at 480. It's about 460 somewhere there. So I'll withdraw the liner now to see what is actually on it. So it will be up in a bit. Let us see. Still waiting on this one. It's pretty near. Very near. Huh? Oh, Satins. Rinchman. Oh, look at that, peeps. Nice line.
Yeah, I tell you the best one. We feel for a morning. Whoa! Hold them up, we see them. Yeah, man. Pound and half sizes. Not bad, you know. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 21 fish. Yeah guys, 21 fish came up on this one. Yeah, man. Out of 30 hooks. So we gotta get going again. Yeah, man, another one is up. Yeah, that's a small queen right there. Cardinal. Ball top of cardinal, guys, looking at the water. String way gone done, so. Alright, hold on, let me done. They active though. Yeah, man, my sister, you get cut. Sorry, brother.
Yes, peeps. Just pull up a line here. Next one again. Yeah. Not bad at all. They're active in the evening after. Yeah, man. Look at that. Ain't that looking good? That's what we're all out here for. All them pretty fish. And then we have 2 float off. One right there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. Yes, peeps. Another one again. Some big swells where I get out there still, but they're not bad. Another line again in the evening. See if we can catch a couple more. They are pretty as them. But same I kept them with line a while ago and one of them pop off still from way down.
Yeah, man, the loads are around 350 yards down there, you know. Feel the free up, I know say. Never hook up good.
So him gone.
Or is a possibility of me I pull the line too fast. But you don't know I saw me pull them, you know? I must fast and no slow.
Yes, man. So, make we see what come up, peeps. Yes. Still a wait, here it comes, peeps. Make we see what it's saying at the evening, yeah. Here comes the trot. Yeah. Nice size fish.
I think I say black bellies.
Belly black. Yeah, they want the big. Black belly pretty like whoa. Look at that one. Another one. Whoa.
Yeah man. Well black.
Look at that.
Group of food. Yeah man, let me see last one. Yeah man, two very small one came up as well guys. Like this one, you know. Yeah man, this is a small one. What we normally do with these ones, we pin them on back on the hooks, you know. They're very small. We pin them on back on the hooks to catch the groupers. Yeah man, group of food. Yeah man, look at the size difference. Yeah, man. 4 pounds. 4 pounder. Compared to, what should I say now? Less than half pounder. Yeah man. Funny thing about it is that they can't go back down. Yeah man. So we have to use them back make bait. It's a lovely one in the evening. Also take a look at this. Yeah man, the berry or the pumpkin, whichever you guys call it, ripening in the area. So I guess the population should be high for the time being. So we're going to get back to work because, you know, night is not far. See how much more we can acquire by then. Yeah man, morning again, second morning now, you know. Yeah man, started very early. We'll get some bonitos, maybe about 7 bonitos. The gap line is almost finished, you know. We're out here, 2 lines set out already. Cornell start pull up the first one, you know. Yeah man. Same procedure, deep style. Current still haven't changed. It's a bit strong. Tend to be in the morning time, it's stronger than normal, you know. So just a go on fishing at this area till further in the day we move along the bank, you know, depending on the catch result. Yeah man, so the first one is almost here. See in the water. See a few small cardinals. Greatest of account, but stand up youth. Leave a bait off hook.
Yes, babes. First line of the morning. Up and running. See them there. Lovely. Only my bait off we could get to catch a few of them, but we get to bait off bad.
So yes, viewers, we finally moved one new location, you know, because for one, water pressure is very strong. And 2, taxman send we away. Yeah man, taxman mash up the second line when it's set. Come up, wrap up in it. The size is roughly about 550 pounds, if not more. Yeah man, take a look at this. So him do the chat, you know. Yeah man, rough it up at some place and cut off some hooks. Yeah, just do what you want with it. So at the new location, first line run about 400 yards, 1200 feet. And it's been drawn by the famous Cornell.
Yes, man.
So we are expecting some queen snappers and some cardinals. So just stay tuned. Yes guys, so it is almost up. Yeah, I'm seeing the cardinals. Quite a few of them. Different sizes. Seems to be a gold eye. Yeah man, gold eye plus queen snapper. Yeah man, look at this one. These are the places they call the real mixed areas, you know. Nice queen.
Yes, man. Lovely.
Yeah, man.
Lovely queen that.
And a few more cardinals.
For real.
Not bad. Get quite a few beta hooks. You can even see one ring up, so I'm assuming that a fish had float off. Looking for him short, yeah. Some more of this coming up, just stay tuned. Yes, another one coming up. Cornell said it feel good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we catch 2 little fish, man. You see?
Yes, I
I'm complaining from morning. We are getting 1 and 2 still. I want to feel it. As long as I'm not current, it's good.
How wait a little to come up, guys. Yeah man, so Cornell line reach up. Yeah, so I can get 3 of them, guys. Yeah, man. 3 fish. Alright, guys, it's evening now again. So, we in the shallow. I try looking after some black snappers. Yeah, man, because outside not really I go on with anything. Yeah, man. We catch about 5 so far, or 4. 4 lovely one. The 1 jack. And there should be a few small ones on this as well. It's almost here, so we're gonna take it up and show. Yeah man, so the line reach up and thing, guys. Taxman visit, you know. Yeah man. One fin and not getting color yet, look how pretty. Look whitish. So the other one there. Plus we put one head in so the taxman take off. Yeah guys, see there another black snapper head that. Taxman in the evening. Just like going trace with it this morning already. We be at almost finished still, guys. See there? You can call this a wrap up time then. Yeah, man. Be at almost finished. So look hard to come out, I'm out, youth.
Then Midday night surgery. Work a surgery and all.
Yes, viewers, give thanks again. Out here. Evening time, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, we're up on the land side, you know. Third him, let me see him. Look at that goal eye. Lovely, lovely goal eye. Cornell the fishing in the night, you know. You can catch a few. Yeah, man. It's about a 8-pounder. So, up on the land side, we are going to go and take out the fish them. A few bonito there. We have to run from the weather because it gets real hard. Yeah, man. So we are going to unload the boat. Yeah, man. These are the ones that we caught in the night. Golden eye snappers and button snappers, otherwise known as bunfin. Those are the ones we caught in the night. So I'm really tired, so catch them and go all rest. But otherwise, that are going so far. Yeah, man, and we just start unload. So you soon see the full catch. See it there now, guys. Yeah, man. Catch nobody at all. Nobody at all. Yeah, man. Go like queen snapper, cardinal snapper, few bonito, one grouper. Yeah, man. Plus a few were collected by taxman. What let me see them? What up then to there? Taxman collecting tax and remains that. I wanna be a something taxman go on with more time. So up on the land side I give thanks same way. Reaching safe out of the weather and everything, guys. Yeah, man. So that then. You know the weather. Yeah, man, we're up on the land side, you know the weather. Just a come out there, go beat them and come back. Yeah, man, make a nice little catch, you know. Big up and bless up.